start with your destination. And this is raised by Jodie Glickman. And she said, you need to bring them into the future. Where do you want to go? So you very carefully need to design or even to elaborate how to find your goal and the theme of your sales pitch or your elevator pitch, and has to be a punchline. They need to remember you. Those few seconds, and we're going to talk about it precisely, what takes people to judge you within the first few seconds, are very crucial. You describe your story, so you need to make sure it's interesting for them at the same time. So you bring your team within your personal background story, and then you connect both in something amazing, something really incredible that is very memorable. There are a few things we need to remember. I'm a big fan not having memorized sales pitch. However, in some circumstances, it's good to start with this. It gives you a little bit more confidence having it written. So if there is a public speaking event, for me, it was a great exercise writing it down, recording it, listening a few times, correcting until I found it in a certain kind of level of perfection. And then I was able to actually adjust also to the audience. So we need to have that level of flexibility. Warmth is something important. This is how people judge you in the first few seconds. How warm you come across to another person is how quickly you can create connection. And that is very important when you design your elevator pitch, or especially when you deliver the elevator pitch. And then competence. They need to know, are you competent to do, you commit to do. Taking that for consideration is actually very important when you design your elevator pitch.
Feel free to join our LinkedIn group. Hopefully I will see you soon. Thank you.